Today marks the first day of Black History Month, which takes place every year, and it now feels more important than ever before. Black History Month is all about understanding the history of black people and people of other ethnic minority backgrounds, here in South Wales and across the country. For policing, it's about understanding what this history means for black people and the way they interact with their local police. Taking time to listen, appreciate and learn from this history is absolutely essential for us to continue to move forward. We have made a lot of progress so far, but we still have a way to go. As an organisation, we continue to work hard to reflect upon and learn more about the challenges black people in our communities face and how we interact with each other, not just now during Black History Month, but throughout the year. Although we still have progress to make, our aim is for South Wales Police to truly reflect our diverse communities through the staff and officers that serve them. This year, the theme of Black History Month is Proud to Be. Throughout the rest of this month, you will hear colleagues talk about how they are proud to be who they are and reflecting on their experiences within policing. We will also see a whole range of activity from us that reflects on what we, as an organisation, have done and what we will continue to do to make South Wales Police and its communities safe for all. Diolch. Thank you.